We did a video on 23.0 Onyx 270 awning with the wall kit earlier today. And one of the things about the wall kit is on the bottom of all the eyelets are these bungee cords tied in. And just setting up the walls for the second time, about a half a dozen of these came untied. They're going to do that because they stretch, and so it's really hard for a knot to stay tied. So what we did to replace those, to upgrade it so we don't have to worry about that, is we took our reflective orange 550 paracord, about the same length, and then we just ran that instead. There's not any stretch to this, but this is going to last a lot longer than bungee cord anyways. Bungee cord tends to give too much, I think, and I'm not sure if we're going to stake down to the paracord or we're going to stake down to the eyes, but we'll see once we get on the road. Just a simple upgrade, not that there's anything wrong with the bungee cords. They just kept coming untied. Just setting up the tent, we haven't even used, or the awning, we haven't even used the walls yet, other than setting them up twice. I like this system better, so that's what we're going to go with.